Good afternoon, gentlemen. This is my school, St. Mary's Inter College, and our motto is to run the college to achieve full satisfaction for the parents as well as for the students. Of the school. This is the main gate. We have two gates here, one for the exit and one for the entry. The gate has been guarded by the guard. We have two guards in the afternoon and two in the night. We have the visitors book here in which the parking area of our vans, and what you get is the
थोड़ा सा उधर कर लेते हैं।
This is our admin block. Welcome to the admin block here. This is the reception area. The COVID guidelines are followed here. Also through the sanitization process here. Here also the COVID guidelines are followed. Social distancing is. We have the first aid kit here to deal with any situations. We have the bed. If the child is unwell, that child can rest here. But if there are other issues, we immediately contact the parents as well as we admit the child to the hospital. For the parents, this is the conference room. Certain decisions and all are taken here regarding the syllabus and various curriculum. Inspection is also held here. This is the principal's room. It has got all the basic requirements a principal office should have. It's got a CCTV camera. Enabled with CCTV monitor. The principal has a whole view of the entire school in her room. This room is Wi-Fi enabled. We have the house system here. The 4 houses with 4 colors, as you can see on the soft boards. The Ravli house, the Shivalik house, the Kanchenjunga house and the Nilgiri house. The students are prepared through this activity by the decoration of the soft boards, giving them important topics. As you can see, the environment for the Nilgiri house, and for the Kanchenjunga house, the junk food, and for the Aravali house, as you can see, the woman empowerment, and for the Shivalika house, Incredible India. Children, with the idea behind that they are well equipped to enter the 21st century. And holistic development is our aim for the kids. समझ में आ रहा है काम ऐसा करने की है बड़ा बेकार काम हो जाए। आप ऐसे करना बोलो. This is our playground number 1. As you can see, this area is also used for the assembly. The swings are here for the pre-primary and the primary kids. Playground number 2. It's a playground for our kids to have different activities, as well as a volleyball net is here, the badminton is also played here, the kho-kho is played here, and many other activities are held in this playground. This is our swimming pool. We have the swimming activities also conducted here. We have a qualified coach who takes care of the swimming activities. We are focusing on child security, which is very, very important. Child safety and security. One more example, we are having our automated fire safety system. As you can see, if any mishap happens and we are to call the fire brigades, they can be supplied with this automated fire safety system, which we have it installed in our building.
Yes.
You can see the sanitary ware according to the age appropriation. With workstation for the teachers. Workstation for the teachers. Hello? The students come here for mass media classes as well. The teachers use it as a This is our computer room. We have the systems. Systems are having internet for the students. This is a Wi-Fi enabled lab. primary class. This is LKG, as it is visible. It's also an air-conditioned room with the furniture very apt for the kids of the pre-primary. It's a beautiful, colorful classroom to give the visual sensations to our young ones. उसको बता दो बैग और अंदर रखो बेटा, खाली करो ये एरिया. दरवाजा नहीं दिखाएगा, दरवाजे की चिप्पी अभी तक नहीं हटी है, और सुचित अपने चिप्पियों पे ध्यान देगा. मैम वो चिप्पी नहीं हटी, चलिए दोबारा भैया वाला बंद कराना, एक कंप्लीट है. It is got, as well as we are having gym facility for our students. As you can see, we are having a fire safety system here. On every floor we are having this. This building is totally fire protected. Is here also on the beginning of the second floor as well. Drinking water area, we have provided the kids with RO drinking water facility. And this type of water complexes are there on each floor for the kids. This is our library. It is a well-equipped library with 3,600 books pertaining to all the subjects of NCERT and SCERT books are here.
तो सामान हमारा स्टोर में रखा हुआ है, क्योंकि बाहर रखा है तो मैसी हुआ है, तो इसको मैं तो तुम मुझे फोन नहीं लगा।
This is the girls' washroom complex. It is being provided by all the sanitary wares and all the essential requirements which is needed for little girls. This is our music room. We have the musical instruments here, the tabla, guitar, synthesizer, harmonium, congo and bongo for our students. The students sit in their Indian style and learn all these instruments from our qualified music teacher. This room is also well lighted and air conditioned. This is one of our primary class, class 2. As you can see, it's a colorful staff room, classroom again, with child-friendly furniture, with fans. It's an air-conditioned room. It's got ample of natural light. It's being provided by a big blackboard and very big softboard as well. Section of middle school, class 8. This classroom is also having a spacious ambience with a lot of natural light, proper lights, fans, air conditioned, provided by softboard as well as a big blackboard.
शुरू कब हुए थे मैम? अरे वो तो एक्स्ट्रा टेबल है।
अरे synthesizer beta. This is our class 11th commerce. We have made all the arrangement. This year had been a gap year, but we are all set to welcome our students of class 11. The furniture is up for the level of class 11 students. This we have divided as commerce section. This classroom is air conditioned, proper fans, lights, natural lights. Everything is available and we are all set to welcome our class 11. Set 2 classroom for class 11 science. We are ready to welcome our science students of class 11 in this classroom with proper furniture apt for the level of class 11th students. The room is air conditioned, proper natural light, fans, blackboard and everything all set to welcome our class 11. This is our secondary classroom of class 9. This classroom is also well furnished with natural light. It's an air conditioned classroom. Furniture is apt for the level of class 10 students. It's a spacious classroom, well ventilated, with lots of natural light, air conditioned, of nursery. This is our UKG. This classroom has also got lots of natural light, fans, lights, room with color.
Start.
This is our class 1. This room is also very, very spacious with furniture of class 1. The room is well ventilated. It's also air conditioned room. This is our class 2. The furniture of this room is
लूँगा.
This is class 3. The furniture of this class perfect for a class 3 kid. It is well ventilated. This is our class. Beautiful colorful furniture with proper lights and fans. Softboards and blackboard. Softboard, blackboard, and an air conditioner. Class. It's a well ventilated furniture, perfectly fit for a class 6 kid. Softboard, blackboard, conditioner, fan. This is class 7. Beautifully decorated room, apt for a class 7 kid. It's also this is our class 10. This is our chemistry lab. Our chemistry lab is equipped with all the instruments, reagents, salts, everything required for the level of class 11. This lab is also fire protected, it is safe. The chemistry lab provides a platform to students to nurture the budding scientist in them. The lab is well equipped with devices like distillation unit, electrolysis, weighing machine, Bunsen burner, beaker and flask. Safety devices such as firefighting equipment, first aid kit, etc. are also a part of chemistry lab. Acids and other reactants are stored in separate containers on racks as a further precautionary measure. The students are provided with separate workstations. The apparatus includes common test tube, boiling tube, mortar and pestle, watch glasses, clay triangles, burette, crucible, tongs, funnel, pipette and droppers, etc. in which we keep our acids and harmful chemicals under lock and key. And our chemistry VGT is responsible for all these things. This is our physics lab. We are proud to have a sophisticated physics lab with latest of all equipments. The students have to handle these experiments with care. The flat tabletop used for the students as workstation allows a multiple arrangement and combination for the lab work and small group activities. The equipment ranges from commonly found lenses, magnet, beam balance, spring balance, glass prism to the advanced equip themselves in the supervision and assistance done by our experienced and trained faculty members. This is our biology lab. We have an integrated and well-designed biolab planned to cater the demands of the advancement of science and technology. The worktops are heat resistant and the storage cabinets are easily accessible. The laboratory apparatus ranges from the simple slides, test tube, petri dish to the composite, simple and compound microscope of various power to observe even the simple and the smallest organisms clearly. They are highly powered and extremely precise. The human skeleton with all the proper joints and 206 bones is being displayed to the students for better understanding. The lab is well lighted with natural lights. Water